Oh my gosh.
Touch the stairs.
Dude. Yeah, we're gonna have to pass on this one. Oh my gosh, bro.
What's up?
Dang, Scrivo. Ooh, work it. What do we got today, Steve-O?
Urban kayaking? Is that what we call it?
Where's the yak, dude? Got the kayak or what? There it is. Woo! Dude, this thing's sick. The next move is finding some fat hills, finding the stair sets.
You like that?
Yeah, I do.
Look at this. They just clip in right here. Ah! Ah! I think this is for a fishing pole.
Dang. Why are you changing into pants?
I want to bust my knees. It's gonna work. It'll work. Okay. Oh, Mr. Kayak didn't put his seatbelt on.
How we feeling about this, huh?
Prediction. Go straight down, run into this bush. Or the pole. Let's do it.
Yeah, you down?
Yeah.
All right, let's send it. Dude, you like this little maneuver?
Nice. That thing is right there. We're right there.
We're right there, dude. Is there a back handle? Of course there's not. Just like at work. All right, here we go. And we're off. All right, little test run. Just see, just push it down. Bro, I think it'll work. I think it'll work.
Yeah.
All right, you ready? Here we go. Oh man. 3, 2, 1. That's cake, brother. Let's go. My arse. What's that? Oh, let's go. Dude. Oh my gosh. Take 2. I could just get you like down. Oh, how you feel, bro?
Good, dude.
Yeah, dude.
You were kind of
Oh, frick. Let's go, brother. Oh, gosh. Dude, how you feeling right now?
Not good.
Dude, you got it. I believe, all right?
All
Hey,
right.
let's go. Bro, he's dead. Yeah. Yo! Rick, sorry. Dude, how was it? Oh my gosh!
I broke something on you.
You broke it? Oh no way, dude.
I think I just cracked this more. That thing's gonna be toast by the end of the day.
Dude, that was mental. Yeah! Oh, frick. You want to try?
Yeah, why not?
Oh,
What?
gosh, let's go.
I'll give you. You got the cam, Steve-O?
Yeah, we're good.
Let's go. You should feel a little pressure. Do it. Do it. Yeah. We got another ped. It is so safe. That was awesome. Next victim.
You got it. Just lean back.
Do it for Jay, Nina. Yeah, I'm good. Let's go. What? Yeah, Nina. Heck yeah. Jay would be so proud.
Upstairs.
Oh.
Insane.
Heck yeah. Woo! Let's go.
Oh my gosh, she flew
That was
down.
freaking gnarly,
She flew down
dude.
that second one. Yeah,
Boys. It's crazy out here.
that was dope.
Dude, I'd say that was a success. We got a bunch of people to try it too.
Yeah, but we're
Let's
not
go.
done yet, dude.
Hey, we're just getting started. Let's go, Steve-O. Woo! Rada. Whoa! Sketch!